Hey there, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you, the EYO-OSO wireless keyboard and mouse combo. If you're on the hunt for a comfortable, reliable, and versatile keyboard and mouse setup, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we explore all the fantastic features this combo has to offer. Introducing the EYO-OSO wireless keyboard and mouse combo, designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. From its comfortable touch to its ergonomic design, this combo is built to enhance your typing and navigation experience. First off, let's talk about typing comfort. The keyboard features a palm rest and folding holder, making it a pleasure to type on for extended periods. The thoughtful stripe design on the mouse prevents slipping, even when your palms get a bit sweaty. No more hassle with drivers. This combo utilizes 2.4G wireless connection technology, offering a stable and powerful connection within a 10-meter range. Plus, it's a breeze to set up, just plug and play. The USB receiver conveniently stores on the back of the mouse. Say hello to automatic power saving. The keyboard and mouse combo will enter a power saving state when not in use for a few minutes. This nifty feature significantly extends the battery life, so you can keep going without worrying about frequent recharges. Accidental spills? Not a problem. The keyboard boasts a splash-proof design with built-in drainage holes. You can even shake it to drain out any liquid. No more worrying about those coffee mishaps during your work-from-home sessions. Are you particular about your mouse sensitivity? The optical wireless mouse in this combo has your back. It offers 3 adjustable DPI levels, catering to your specific needs. Whether you're working or gaming, this mouse has you covered. EYO-OSO stands behind its product with confidence. The wireless keyboard and mouse combo come with a 12-month warranty. Even beyond Amazon's return period, EYO-OSO's after-sales team is ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Setting up your workspace has never been easier. The 2.4 GHz wireless technology ensures a lag-free connection, even from up to 33 feet away. Just plug in the USB receiver, and you're ready to roll. Let's not forget about ergonomics. The keyboard features a comfortable palm rest, protecting your wrists during those long typing sessions. Plus, it's designed for both left and right-handed users, so it's a great fit for everyone. Accidents can happen, right? With this combo, there's no need to fret over the occasional spill. Its spill-resistant design ensures easy cleanup and keeps your devices safe. To sum it up, the EYO-OSO wireless keyboard and mouse combo ticks all the boxes for a reliable and user-friendly setup. It's got comfort, convenience, and even a dash of style. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more in-depth tech reviews and recommendations. Got any questions or thoughts about this combo? Feel free to share your comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay tuned to UK Pro Reviewer for the latest tech insights. This is UK Pro Reviewer, signing off. The EYO-OSO wireless keyboard and mouse combo, your ticket to comfortable and hassle-free computing. See you in our next video, tech enthusiasts.